Okay, hey guys, how are you today? How's everybody doing? Today I will talk about we'll start with the US dollar because the dollar index seems overbought in the short term. So that's why I will talk about the US dollar. I will take a look also on US equities, on commodities, cryptocurrencies. So please, guys. If you have questions, I'm waiting for messages in that YouTube chat. Okay, and first of all, guys, very important to read the disclaimer. Yeah, it's important to understand that trading is risky. That past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance or results. And I don't know if you have questions. Hey Jay, hi, how are you? And if you have questions, you can also send an email to support. If you have questions about services, about subscription, yeah. Don't forget that Learn to Trade will never contact you directly, okay? You cannot contact us on Telegram. You can only send an email to support here. There are a lot of scammers out there. There are a lot of scamming groups trying to impersonate Learn to Trade or us, so please be careful. Okay, so later pending home sales, guys, and if you are interested in US oil, crude oil, we'll talk about the crude oil. We'll have the crude oil inventories, yeah, in I don't know, 1 hour, and this could bring some volatility into the markets. So dollar index, let's start with the dollar index. And because the dollar index failed here to stay to stabilize above 114.52 above the R1, personally I had to manage my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. As you already know, I've had to close my my position at break even in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah. After the sell-off, I've decided to manage my position at break-even, and right now, please take a look here. Strong and massive sell-off. I've sent a new pending order in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but as you already know, I've decided to delete that pending order as well, only because let's invite more members. I don't know what's happened. Okay, so I've sent a new pending order, yeah, in I've sent a new pending order here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but unfortunately that new pending order was invalidated here, okay, after registering a valid breakdown through the R1 and below this uptrend line. So right now I'll stay away. I'll keep an eye on this market because we are still above these levels, above these former highs, support level, demand zone, and I don't know, maybe this down channel, this flag could represent an upside continuation pattern, but right now it's far from being confirmed. This pattern is far from being confirmed. Sideways movement, and I don't know, maybe we cannot exclude also a potential Fred, hello from France. Carl, good afternoon. Hi, how are you? Alex, USD Swiss franc making a double top. Yeah, that's why I wanted to say here that also we cannot exclude a double top, okay? A double top here, but yeah, a double top, guys, will be confirmed only in my opinion. Let's use maybe this level, or actually in my opinion a double top could be activated only by a new lower low here, okay, because yeah, the price action developed something like a double top, okay, here, but right now we are still above these levels here, so yeah, that's why I need confirmation. I'll wait for confirmation here, and if I'll have a short opportunity, a selling setup here, but as I've said, in my opinion, only new lower low here could activate a potential double top here, and after this amazing sell-off, you cannot exclude rebounds, sideways movement, false breakdowns. Personally, I really want to see maybe something like this, like a rebound. I would like to see a rebound here, okay, and if the price action, Endo, hello from Nigeria, hi, how are you? So why I want to see a rebound here, because if I will place something like I don't know, a sell stop here to catch a potential double top here, then I don't know, if it continues to drop and if it makes a new lower low, it could register maybe a larger rebound, okay, in the short term. So that's why I would like to see a rebound here to retest the immediate resistance levels, and then to drop to make a new lower low, okay, here, and then I will be able to hide my stop loss here, and I don't know, maybe to go short at market, or to place a sell stop. So this is my strategy, my trading strategy here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, because yeah, the price action printed a potential double top, but right now yeah, this pattern, reversal pattern in the short term is not confirmed yet. And if this pattern will be activated and confirmed, then I don't know, maybe we can search for a selling position. I don't know, maybe 100 something like this, 12 pips, yeah, something like this. So if this pattern will be confirmed, then I will look for a potential short with I don't know, a potential target here, okay, or around these former lows. Yeah, so this is my opinion about the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, and I will talk also about Canadian dollar, Japanese yen before I will yeah, personally I was looking at a potential new setup here, and maybe I will send maybe a new pending order here in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So why I've decided to manage my position at break even here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because after this sell-off, please take a look here, something like a triangle. It has registered only a false breakdown, great separation through this uptrend line. It has failed to make a new lower low, yeah, and that's why personally I've expected a potential rebound. We have resistance here at the downtrend line. We also have this downtrend line, the triangle's resistance. So I will look for shorts only if it stays below the downtrend line within this triangle, if it registers only false breakouts, and a new lower low could bring me a new short opportunity. So right now it was a great decision to manage my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. It was a great decision to manage my position in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I will look for something else, okay? Ramadan, hi brother from Malaysia. Hi, how are you? Thanks for the gold long just now. That trade was Orlando's trade, so you will have to thank Orlando. Swiss franc, Japanese yen looking good for long. Alex, please tell me also your time frame, yeah, because it could be good on short term, but I don't know, maybe it's bearish on I don't know, on long term. Yeah, so please guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, if you are a buyer, if you are a seller, your levels, yeah, because let's have a conversation here. I don't want to have a monologue, to talk alone here. So this is my opinion, and that's why I've decided to manage my position here, because false breakdown, yeah, and here a strong sell-off, but it has registered only a false breakdown here as well. So rebound, strong rebound. Let's take a look. Yen basket, okay, yen basket. Close at the GBP, New Zealand dollar short for turn speed today, getting good now. The monastery, yeah, that's great. Okay, so I'm still looking for potential Japanese Japanese longs only because the Japanese yen basket has managed to stay above the broken upper medium line here. I don't know, in the short term the bias is still bullish. Okay, if we'll use also this uptrend line here, test retest, accumulation, consolidation, could signal a potential upside continuation. So that's why personally I'm still hunting Japanese yen longs. But this spike here on British pound Japanese yen, so no, I will not trade British pound Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen, let's take a look. Euro Japanese yen, yeah, I will delete my drawings. And now we are still on this I don't know, potential support zone, demand area, key levels. Yeah, only false breakdown, retest. So no, I don't have a setup here on this market. I will take a look on lower time frames. So personally, yeah, maybe I've deleted some of my drawings and my analysis only because I want to build new ones, maybe here live for you. And I don't know, maybe you will understand maybe how to read the markets, because maybe if I will use my drawings, yeah, you will not understand what I'm doing here. So no, right now, no, I don't have a trade in euro versus the Japanese yen, because yeah, it has reached this support zone, demand area. Nope. Canadian dollar, maybe, as I've said, here on Canadian dollar Japanese yen, but only if the price stays below these levels, because taking out these resistance levels could signal potential larger rebound, and this scenario could take shape if the yen basket will drop. Okay, please guys. So Alex, please tell me what you are looking at. Swiss franc Japanese yen, your time frame. Okay, Australian dollar Japanese yen, and then I will talk about gold. I will talk about silver, US oil, US dollar, US equities, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So rebound here. Australian dollar Japanese yen. I don't know if this will be only a temporary rebound. I will look for potential shorts, but no, right now I don't have a setup. And also the monastery, 330 pips, depends on your size. Yeah. You can make 1% with 330 pips. You can make 1% with 1000 pips. So yeah. So New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, yeah, 82.131 as a key level. Maybe I will look for something here 4 hour or daily. Okay, Alex, thank you, Alex. So New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, I will look for shorts only here. Okay, New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, because right now, no, I don't have a long opportunity. I don't want to buy this market. Okay, so Swiss franc Japanese yen, 4 hour. So looking good for long. for longs. I don't know, maybe you've missed this this opportunity maybe here after retesting this key level 143.70. Yeah, yet the bias is still bullish. What indicators do you use? I'm using price action, guys. Price action. I'm using a pitchfork. I'm using Fibonacci. I'm using also pivot points. I don't know, MACD, relative straight index, stochastic, Williams percentage range. I don't know, a lot of tools. It depends. Okay, and personally I really like to trade based on confluence trading. Yeah, after using more than one tool or strategy or technique or indicator, or yeah. So Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, strong sell-off, and after reaching this support, it was rebound was natural, and 146.89 as resistance, and yeah, if it stays above the uptrend line and a new lower low could signal potential growth. Let's take a look again on yen basket. Okay, yen basket. Yen basket, something like a key zone resistance. Could this be something like a head and shoulders? I don't know. It looks strange, but as I've said, as long as it stays above the broken upper medium line here, because in my opinion and technically here, retesting here and the new higher high could signal potential growth. So that's why right now, no, I don't want to go to go short on the Japanese yen. Okay, this is the reason. And because I don't want to go long on the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, and I don't know, because if I don't have potential setups and long setups also on euro, Japanese yen, okay, British pound, Japanese yen, because I really want before placing a trade, I'm looking on all these markets and Japanese yen pairs, okay, and if I don't see long opportunities or setups on all these markets, and if I'll identify potential long only on the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, no, I don't want to go long, only because I don't want to go long only because I don't know, this could be a false signal or something. Yeah, so this is my opinion about the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. Please guys, if you have questions. Yeah, I'm trying to identify a potential trade in US dollar. So as I've said earlier, its failure to stabilize above 114.52, above the R1 breakdown. Right now it seems that maybe the dollar index will come back, I don't know, will drop, and that's why let's take a look. Maybe we can identify something like an intraday short, US dollar short. Now it's still located below this level, sorry, downtrend line. Now after this spike, US dollar, Japanese yen, 144.99, but unfortunately it has failed to hit this key level. Yeah, And after this amazing rally, yeah, we have support maybe here. Now US dollar, Canadian dollar, warning line. It has reached the warning line of the ascending pitchfork as resistance, and right now it has turned to the downside. Maybe we've missed something, but here, yeah, now it could be too late. Or if the price will come back to retest the R1, then we can look for potential shorts here. Yeah, so US dollar versus the Swiss franc again. That double top, guys. But I don't like this spike, false breakdown, great separation. Yeah, because this could represent a potential downside obstacle, potential support. Okay, so that's why I said earlier that I want to see rebound and then to drop and to make a new lower low. Okay, yeah. Okay, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look. Maybe we can catch a potential US dollar short. No. Australian dollar, no. Singapore dollar, yeah, sell off after registering only false breakouts above the R2 after this amazing rally. Natural sell off. South African rand, guys. South African rand. Yeah, I forgot. Please, guys, if you are a free member and if you want to join us, you can use that coupon live 50 to get a 50% discount. Okay, so you can. We still have one coupon, guys. Hurry up! You can catch this. If you use this code live50 at the checkout to get a 50% discount. Okay, so and right now, shit, maybe we've missed an opportunity here in US dollar versus the South African rand, but the reason why I don't like to trade this market is because the spread is huge. Okay, please take a look also here. 17, I don't know, 30 pips. I don't know. It's this is the only reason why I don't like to trade US dollar versus the South African rand, because the spread is huge. Okay, Mexican peso, yeah, strong sell off, but after something like this I don't want to sell it at market because it could rebound, and if I don't see something like a high probability trade, look at DXY. Yeah, also US dollar versus the Swiss franc, registered a strong sell-off here. I don't know, maybe it was a mistake not to place a pending order, a sell stop there. It remains to see. But as I've said, personally I would have liked to see a rebound, temporary rebound. And yeah, technically guys, what about the DXY? What about the dollar index? And don't forget guys to like this video. This will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. Yeah. So also yeah, technically guys, technically yeah, maybe staying near the downside line of this channel signaled an imminent breakdown. Okay, but yeah, maybe something like this. A potential sell stop here, but only with I don't know, stop loss here. So no, right now I will not take the trade at market, only because today I've had a long position here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I've had a new pending order here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, so maybe I will not place a third trade or a pending order or something here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Okay. Yeah, dollar index, yeah, strong sell-off. As I've said earlier, it could drop, but I didn't had something like a high probability setup or trade. And if I don't see something familiar, or if I don't see something really good, because please take a look here, Euro USD, yeah, it has reached resistance already. Okay. Yeah, also here. No, nothing. US dollar Canadian. Yeah, maybe here, but after this retest, maybe. Yeah, after this retest, maybe we've missed something here right now in as US dollar short in the short term, but pending home sales, guys. Okay. FOMC member Bullard speaks, Fed Chair Powell speaks, FOMC member Bauman remarks. All these could have an impact on the dollar index, okay, on the US dollar. So maybe I'll wait for the dollar index to end its sell-off, its retreat, its downside movement, its correction, before I will look for potential new US dollar longs. Okay, so I'm not worried if I've missed something like a short term US dollar short. Yeah. Okay, please guys, if you have questions. Bitcoin. Unfortunately, it has invalidated here. It has failed to stabilize above the broken downtrend lines. It has retested the support zone. Right now it tries to rebound, but I don't know. Right now it could continue to move maybe somehow sideways in the short term. A new lower low could activate potential deeper drop, but I don't know, only a sideways movement, strong consolidation, accumulation, a value breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth, larger growth here in Bitcoin. Ethereum, guys, it has escaped from this flag up channel, but it has failed to make a new lower low. It could continue to move sideways also in the short term. Yeah, it has dropped it below this uptrend line. Breakdown, retest, but only a new lower low. Dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 1,218 could really activate the potential downside movement and deeper drop. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Gold. Gold, yeah, strong rebound, nice trade in gold. Orlando's trade earlier today, strong rebound, and yeah, in the short term we had maybe something like this, like a pattern, like a down channel. Sorry about that. Please, guys, if you don't have questions, I will end this webinar if you're not interested. A pattern here, a down channel, minor channel, okay, and its failure to approach and reach the downside the line here signaled the exhausted sellers on an oversold and strong rally, but only because the dollar index registered the sell-off. Okay, and right now is almost to hit this key level. Strong rally in gold. Also here in silver, but the bias remains bearish. As long as we don't have something like an upside reversal pattern, a new higher high could signal an upside reversal. No, the bias is still bearish despite temporary rebounds. US oil. US oil, guys. As I've said, 76.95 as support, but yeah, this potential falling wedge was invalidated. But after its strong sell-off, temporary rebounds are in cards, are natural. But yeah, right now, if it stays maybe below this area zone or below the immediate or previous highs, I don't know, maybe a potential range here in the short term. A potential range here could represent the downside continuation pattern, the distribution, but right now it's premature. A new higher high here could signal potential larger rebound, but if it stays below 79.96, 80.29, and test retest false breakouts, a new lower low could signal deeper drop here. Okay, and also, guys, have also a coupon, only one coupon, live 20. If you want to join the VIP group, you can use also this code, this coupon, live 20 at the checkout to get a 20% discount. Okay, so hurry up. Yeah, maybe the live 50 was already used by someone else, but you can still try that coupon as well. Here is live 20. You can still use it if you want to join the VIP group. US 30 rebound only because the dollar index crashes. US 100 rebound, US 500 rebound. But I don't have a setup maybe on these markets. Okay. If you have questions, guys, So let's refresh the economic calendar because we have the pending home sales data. Pending home sales. Yeah, worse than expected data. So I don't know, maybe the dollar index could drop deeper. Could extend its sell-off in the short term. On worse than expected data, DXY. Yeah. Worse than expected data could force the US dollar to depreciate in the short term. Please take a look here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. What did I told you earlier? Yeah, this is the reason why I didn't want it to place a sell stop. Yeah, because I've told you guys, I wanted to see a rebound here. Test, retest, test, retest, okay, before dropping deeper. Right now, as I've said, worse than expected US data, okay, and that's why the US dollar could still lose some ground versus rivals, but please take a look, only false breakdown. Yeah. So that this was the reason why I didn't want it to place a sell stop here, a pending order, only false breakdown. It remains to see. I really want to see that fucking rebound or sideways movement here. Test, retest here, sideways movement, okay? And then maybe I will look for shorts, but right now I don't like this spike, this false breakdown with great separation. How would that affect gold? Gold, I believe that gold rallies. Because worse than expected US data, but as I've said, don't forget, shit, Forex factor again. As I've said, or actually, when the US data came, or the US, when the US reports worse than expected data, maybe gold jumps higher, rallies. But after this amazing rally, it remains to see how it will react here around 1,654. Okay, also downtrend line, resistance, confluence area here in gold. So I don't know. Yeah, after this amazing rally, we cannot exclude also retreat and only a value breakout. And the value breakout here, I will delete these. A value breakout here through this confluence area could signal an upside continuation. Okay, I believe that Orlando already talked about I don't know, a swing trade in gold. Yeah, long term, medium to the long term trade in gold, but yeah, that trade will be only in the swing trading group. So that's why if you want to join the swing trading group, the crypto group, or the VIP group, the Forex VIP group, then use one of those codes. I don't know if you can still catch a coupon code live 50 or live 20 at the checkout. Hurry up. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions. Thank you guys. I didn't identify something really good right now. That's why I'll wait guys. And as I said about the dollar index, maybe I'll wait for the dollar index to end its temporary retreat. Maybe this will be only a temporary retreat and drop, and then I will look only for US dollar longs. I've talked about this. Please take a look here. Yeah, uptrend line, only false breakdown with great separation. And also, as I've said, FOMC, Bullard, Bauman, and also the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell remarks could I don't know, could change the sentiment again in the short term. So that's why you have to be careful. I don't know if you have something like a news terminal to get breaking news. Because anything could happen in the short term. Okay, and about yen basket, thank you as well. About yen basket, yeah, it has dropped below this level. and right now I believe that the Japanese yen depreciates. Here, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I don't know if I'll see something like valid breakout, a new higher high. Maybe I will look for potential longs if the yen basket continues to drop. Okay. And someone asked me, Alex. Yeah, Alex. Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, it's still there. He's still there below this resistance, 146.88. I don't know. It's your call. Maybe I will look for Japanese yen shorts on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and not on this market. Okay. Something like this, but yeah. Okay, thank you guys. It seems that you don't have questions. Have a great day. I will come back with new trades into the VIP group with new potential trades. Don't forget to use that live 50 or live 20. I have only these coupons, one coupon live 50, one coupon live 20, so hurry up. Thank you guys, see you next time, bye bye.